Hey, a couple things. I recorded this video, then I recorded this video, but before this video, I recorded another video which didn't record. I had all kinds of problems, and I said things that I forgot to say in this one. Okay, number one, I told you that a poorly designed, in this video, I told you a poorly designed font could cause problems on your computer. I don't mean that the font is ugly. I mean that there is something in the data file that this file right here that is amiss. And so just wanted to clear that up. I'm not saying an ugly font will make your computer run more slowly. Then I didn't mention that inside, I told you, don't have more than one copy of the same font. Okay, I don't want to cause confusion. Here, there are multiple copies of this Arista. And, you know, what's demo EULA? Don't use demo files. And well, we'll talk about that later. This is a TXT file, so it's not a demo font. Demo fonts, if you find a great font that's a demo, it's going to be missing some characters. You say, Scott, there's something wrong with this font. There's no S. Yeah, well, that's the point. They don't want you to take their font and run away with it for free. They're trying to sell something. But I also said, don't have multiple copies in the folder. What I meant is, if there were OTF versions of each of these fonts in addition to the TTF versions, well, you would highlight the TTF versions and throw them away. Command Delete is the handy dandy shortcut. Command Z, ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Even works with the trash can. How amazing is that? So you understand that? Don't have two versions of the same font in OTF and TTF. It's okay to have multiple versions. Many fonts come with a lot of choices inside this one folder, and that's a good thing. And don't use demo fonts. The user's end license agreement. I don't know what this is, what we do. Yeah, it is the end user license agreement. You can read those things if you want. What they say is, don't distribute my free font. You know, don't sell it. Don't put it in packages. Don't, use it. Have some fun with it. Some fonts have limitations on what you can use it for commercial. Find out. If you get a job, Coca-Cola hires you to create a new ad campaign. That was pretty cool yesterday, by the way, in the Super Bowl. You can't use a free font if it says in the end user's license agreement, if it says you can't use it on commercial projects. Contact me and we'll make a deal. And then you can spend $20 so you can make $2,000 or $20,000. Who knows? Oh, you're going to be so successful. All right, does that clear that up? Now you can move on to this video, and it's going to all make sense.